All right, guys, so I've got all the J channel up around the door opening and around the exterior edges of the wall. So now I'm going to start putting the siding on. Now, when you put your siding in, you don't want to put these nails up all the way tight because you want the siding to be able to slide up and down freely for expansion and contraction. All right, so I've got it all wrapped up. All I'm lacking now, we're going to do a faux rock face along the bottom edge, and then I've still got to get a HVAC guy out here to hook up the lines, pressure test the system, vacuum it down, and release the charge, and then this job will be done. Like, comment, subscribe, check out Cycle Red, check out Wine World.